We are near M32. This is the east side of the state. This is the second to last weekend in October, and look how beautiful these roads are. This is in Johannesburg, Michigan. This is Groen Nature Preserve. It is absolutely so beautiful behind here. It is named after the person who created the Filet-O-Fish sandwich for McDonald's is Louis M. Groen. So I was hoping the information on the website was wrong, that it was open before 10 a.m., but it's not. It's definitely not. So while I wanted to go hiking in here, it's not going to be happening today. But look how beautiful it is. They have gorgeous trees for the fall if you can get out here. All right, I hung around for about 5 minutes to wait for it to open. I wasn't gonna wait, promised my husband I'd be home at a certain time, but I decided to wait because it is absolutely gorgeous here. So I definitely want to walk this nature preserve with my dog. There's a super nice pavilion here at the Groen Nature Preserve. You can park in their accessible parking lot and use this pavilion, and you can start your trail walk from here. I should say your nature walk. Look at these cute little pumpkins they have right here. Joey, where are we at? Are we going for a walk? Huh? You smell other dogs? So this is Trail A. Look at that. This is the nature preserve. Absolutely gorgeous. See, there's tons of different trails in through here. Wow, how beautiful is this? Wow, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Michigan is so beautiful. Look at that. Well, guess what? And this is a first for me. I lost my glasses in the woods, down here somewhere. And I have bad vision, so I cannot find them in these leaves. I have been looking, and I cannot find where they are. So I'm gonna have to give up walking in this nature preserve because I can't see. I don't know where I'm going. So I'm gonna have to trace my steps back from this point to my car and just walk back. Wow. How crazy is this? After I waited 15 minutes for this place to open, then I get here and I take my glasses off to take a picture of Joey, and I lost my glasses. How crazy is that? So anyways, this place is gorgeous. I would definitely come here, this nature preserve, in the fall to see all these fall leaves. It's absolutely beautiful. 100% on your bucket list. I would put it on there, and it's free to be in this nature preserve. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is Johannesburg Lake. There are viewing points of this lake that you can have from the nature preserve that I was trying to get to on my hike. But all is well. I made it back to my car, got my prescription sunglasses on, and drove all the way home. And that's Groen Nature Preserve. If you liked this content and this is something that you can see yourself doing in Michigan, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel. Thank you.